So this is my quick guide on zenithal priming your miniatures with spray cans. Zenithal priming means that you're zenithing it. So if you want to know what that means, you should probably watch a different video. But if you just want to know how to do it quickly, then I'm your man. So you'll need a dark grey or black spray can and a white spray can or light grey to do your shadows and highlights, and that's about it. I forgot to mention, but you're also going to need a stick of some sort like this. So it can be anything really, but you just need something so you don't spray paint your hands. Unless you want to spray paint your hands, in which case you don't need a stick. Yeah, but you probably want a stick. Step 1 is stick your minis to your stick. You can use magnets like I have, or blue tack. Step 2 is give your spray cans a bath in warm water. The sponging is optional if you really want to treat them right. Step 3 is shake the living daylights out of your spray cans for a couple minutes, or until you pass out, whichever comes first. Step 4 is take them outside and give them a spray with your spray can. Just go back and forth with quick bursts from fairly close, and make sure they're thinly covered everywhere with your dark shadow color, your gray or black. Step 5 is wait for the sun to reach its zenith, or till the paint has dried, whichever comes first. Step 6 is spray your miniatures from above with your white highlight color. Step 7 is salt to taste, and then plate up for service. And here's the final result. It's all highlighted as per the Zenith and as per the spray cans. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys feel illuminated with my knowledge, and thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks.